I have a lot of work I got to get done tonight, mostly editing, but I'm hungry and I have in my refrigerator this store-bought salad, and I have recently delivered to me this Wild Planet sustainably caught wild sockeye salmon. Each package averages 17 grams of protein, 709 milligrams of EPA, and DHA omega-3. A serving is 1 container. A container is 3 ounces. It is 100 calories. And here's something interesting. It has 90% of the daily required vitamin D in it. Let's get the salad made. Onto the salad, I'm going to be adding a few Kalamata olives, a little bit of crumbled goat cheese. Well, maybe more than just a little. Next comes our salmon. You might have to drain a little bit of water out of it. That's what I had to, but once that's out, it just falls right out of the package. That's what it looks like before you stick the dressing on it. One more thing and it's ready to eat. Fresh ground pepper. That is really pretty good. There's a lot of strong flavors in there. There's the dressing, there's the goat cheese, and there's the salmon, and everything is coming through. I'm getting all the flavor from all the different aspects of the salad. Let me try one of the olives, some of the salmon and lettuce and goat cheese and stuff. This is really good. I'm going to put a little bit more of the fresh ground pepper onto it. I think it's great. I think it's convenient. I think it's an easy way to get a high nutrition meal. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. I want to know what you eat, especially if it's healthy food or if it's good for you. Or I want to know. Help me out here. Please don't forget to have a wonderful day, and please take the time to have a wonderful life.